In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Lazada coins and vouchers. Before we jump in, here's the quick idea. Lazada coins are a reward you collect daily and through simple activities. You can then use those coins to get vouchers that discount your purchases. Everything happens inside Lazada's daily rewards area, so we'll focus on getting there and making the most of it. Start by opening Lazada in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the account you actually use for shopping because coins are tied to your account and won't transfer later. A stable internet connection helps, and if the site looks outdated, refresh the page so the rewards section loads correctly. Next, head to the account area. On desktop, this is typically at the top right after you sign in. On mobile browsers, look for an account or Me tab. This section is your hub for personal settings, orders, and rewards, so it's the reliable entry point for anything coin related. Inside account, look for daily rewards. It may appear under rewards, coins, or promotions depending on your region. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a bit. It's often grouped with other savings features. This page is where you'll find your coin balance, your check-in streak, and any activities that can boost your earnings. On the daily rewards page, claim your daily coins. You should see a button or a coin icon to tap. The check-in typically refreshes every 24 hours, so returning daily helps build a streak and can increase the amount you get. If it's your first time, it might prompt you to confirm once. After that, it's usually a single tap. Coins should appear in your balance right away. If they don't, wait a moment and refresh the page. You can also play games to earn more coins. These are lightweight mini games hosted by Lazada, and they often offer small bonuses that add up over time. Some games have daily limits or event windows, so take a quick look at any rules or timers before you start. If you're using mobile data, keep an eye on usage, though most games are fairly light. Once you've collected coins, the same daily rewards area is typically where you'll see voucher options you can exchange your coins for. When a voucher is available, check the details such as minimum spend, eligible categories, and expiration so you redeem wisely. Vouchers usually attach to your account and show up at checkout when they meet the conditions. That's it. Open Lazada, go to account, enter daily rewards, claim your daily coins, and boost them with games. Keep at it, and convert those coins into vouchers that actually save you money.